Hi, welcome to Anexia Beauty. My name's Annette and I'm here to show you how to properly use a brand new product called the Eye Eclipse. The Eye Eclipse is designed to prevent from excessive rubbing, tugging, and damaging of the under eye while removing your eye makeup. Here's a step-by-step tutorial on how to use your Eye Eclipse. Dampen a cotton pad with your favorite eye makeup remover. Hold the Eye Eclipse under one eye with the straight edge next to your nose and the longer edge on the outer part of your eye. Wipe off as much eye makeup as you can, then take away the Eye Eclipse and gently remove any residue. Once done with one eye, clean the Eye Eclipse, flip to the other side, and repeat the process. Once finished, thoroughly wash your Eye Eclipse with soap and water, dry, and store away for your next use.